What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. A really special one today. I'm going to let you guys know because I didn't really say anything unless you were a part of my Patreon. I actually sold both of the Hinderers that I have shown here recently on the channel. Number 22 and number 23. I've actually owned 23 separate Hinderer knives. I'm a gigantic Hinderer fanboy. I've said that many times on the channel. So you guys can probably guess what's in this box. I purchased this knife from USA Made Blade. No, I didn't get it for free. I actually purchased it. I had to sell my knives to be able to pay for it. But I've been doing business with USA Made Blade for a long time, since well before I started the channel. If you guys are not familiar with them and you like USA Made knives, that's definitely a place that you should go and check out. Scott Whittington, the gentleman who runs the store, is an amazing guy, super nice guy. You can follow them on Instagram. They've got a YouTube channel. They're awesome. So the next time you get an itch, put them on your list to stop by and look around. They've got some really, really cool stuff. Also, if you want your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea for your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type, down in the description there is an Amazon affiliate link that you can use to get yourself one. Anyways, let's get into the box here. All right, another koozie. There we go. Here we go, guys. So if you want to their website, you can see there, usamadeblade.com. Awesome stuff. Also, oh, cool. So they also have strops right now with the compound on there. Actually, let me show you how often I use my other one. I was due. This one's getting a little worn out there. It's got a little life left in it, but they got cool promo stuff. So pretty excited about that. Okay, here we go. We're getting into the main core of the box here. As you can see, I am a skilled unboxer. So if you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to watch someone unbox knives with the utmost grace and skill, with the most precision cutting tools, this might be the channel for you. Seriously though, I do upload daily knife content, knife reviews, knife overviews, unboxings, top 10 videos, discussion stuff. So if you like the sound of that, this might be the channel for you. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I have been waiting a long time for this to come out. Now, a lot of you are going to go, what? That's been out for a little bit. Let me explain. This is a Generation 6 Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch standard thickness slicer grind. So a lot of you are like, they've had Gen 6 slicers out. Here's what they've had so far. They've had Gen 6 3.5 inch skinny slicers. They've had the Slippy slicer. They've had Gen 6 3-inch slicers. They've had DLT did the no choil whatever, blah blah blah. I always talk about the knife that that I purchased originally in place of a Hinderer, because back then I couldn't afford the ridiculous secondary market prices on these things. They were around $800. 2012, 2013. I purchased myself a ZT 0562, which many people back then, this is not the case anymore. Back then, the carbon fiber and the 20 CVR would have been M390, the first run, the one that I got and stupidly sold. A lot of people said, wow, for 240 bucks, which was what they cost back then, this knife is actually, in a lot of people's opinions, better than the real thing. Because back then, Hinderers were Gen 4, and they were running on nylon. They were Gen 3 transitioning to Gen 4, running on nylon, S35VN, which some people consider subpar to M390. Depends on the application. The flipping action was not super great on the Hinderers. The detent was not exactly what people wanted. So, for the actual retail price of whatever they were, 400, 425 bucks, but you couldn't buy them because they were so limited, and they were kind of exclusively selling directly out of shop to first responders and military. So the secondary market made up the prices. So a lot of people were like, well, the ZT is a way better knife for the money. So I bought that, and then I was like, man, if they ever do a Hinderer exactly like this, that would be my ultimate Hinderer. Well, they released a version of this full thickness, 165 thousandths. A lot of people are like, that's counterproductive to the grind. It's slicer. Trust me, the thing's plenty slicey. I've owned slicers before. Anyways, they released this recently in working finish. I wanted stonewash, so I waited. And in my mind, you know, oh God, the action on these things is just crazy now. Look at that. Fall shut. Out of the box. Man, the last two Hinderers that I bought, and guys, I have bought a lot of Hinderers. This is number 24. These are the best they've ever been. Oh my gosh. 20 CV. Nice, consistent lockup every single time. Let's do that again. Oh, perfect centering. Perfect. Yeah, so I've been waiting for essentially the Hinderer version of the ZT that was a ZT Hinderer of the original Hinderer. I just wanted my preconceived idea of the best version based on the ZT version I had to buy for the lack of being able to purchase the real thing. What an insane, ridiculous circle. Here we are, what's it been? Golly, when did I buy that knife? At least 5 years ago, maybe 6 years ago, whenever the ZT0562 first, whenever they debuted the carbon fiber version, I had one of the first ones. So here we are. So a lot of you are wondering, you know, you're making it sound like this is the Hinderer, is it? I don't know. You're gonna have to give me some time with it, play with it. I think I know what this thing is, but rest assured there will be a full video on this guy. That is pretty much it for today's exciting but short little unboxing. I cannot have that kind of debris on my queen. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. You can click on that metal complex logo right there if you want to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.